I invite the principal of the college to deliver welcome address and present the report of the activities of the college.
Gentlemen, it's a red letter day, a monumental moment for the quinquennial years graduates gathering for the first graduation day. For all the graduates, it's a day of paramount significance in the professional odyssey. We are jubilant to see the VIPs of the academic stature present here to grace the occasion. We are very much delighted to greet Dr. Tamil Vendan, the Registrar and Acting Vice Chancellor of Tamil Nadu Agriculture University, for accepting our invitation and present here despite his step-hopping schedule of work. We render a warm welcome you, sir. We are really overwhelmed to invite Dr. R. Selvarajan, the Director, ICR, National Research Center for Banana of Trichinopalli, for his presence in spite of his busy schedule. We greet you, sir, in all cheers. We are extremely happy to invite Mrs. Ali Ingersoll, the Chairperson of Nalanda Group of Institutions and the Secretary of the institution, whose constant encouragement and motivation made this grand gala happening of today's. We wholeheartedly greet the Chairperson of Nalanda College of Agriculture. Pleasure is ours to extend a warm welcome to the teaching fraternity, academic coordinators, year coordinators, ward councillors, non-teaching staff, and graduating students, parents, and the press personnel for the courteous presence. Academic milestones. Nalanda College of Agriculture is a non-profitable organization run by Shangamridam Social Trust located at Trichinopalli, began its professional odyssey in the year 2007. The college began its academic journey from 36-2016 with an admission strength of 60 students and now rose to 100. Visionary zeal is to promote agriculture education, research and outreach with high quality manpower. Missionary zeal is to impart technical education and all-round development. Innumerable infrastructure facilities endowed are smart classrooms, CCTV footages, Wi-Fi, snuggie hostels for both genders, 124 acres of farmlands, meteorological observatory, animal husbandry units, farm machinery and equipments, irrigation systems, farm pond, vermicomposting unit, azola unit, crop cafeteria, kitchen garden, good agriculture practices, botanical garden, polyhouse, shade net, mist chamber, auditorium, sales counter, etc. The institute scored 85.01% degree of compliance to prescribed standards. Due to academic audit, the TNAU increased student strength of 100 in the academic year of this 2025-2026. As per the standards set by TNAU, the college has secured 87.87% out of 100 and the score secured was 8,037 out of 10,000 points. Paperless mode of communication is adopted here. Ward councillors are nominated as per ICR norms. Anti-ragging cell is there to banish the ragging. A well-established digital laboratory ensconced with Delnet access is a promising education fulcrum. More than 5,277 books, 112 online journals, 13 journals, 2 magazines and 2 newspapers are subscribed for the faculty and the students' use. A commodious examination hall is established to accommodate 120 students with CCTV watch and ward for scrupulous inspection. 16 laboratories are available to engage 40 each at a time to learn the nuance of experiments. Appointment of faculty is as per the UGC ICR NET guidelines. Student feedback on teachers' performance and rating are assessed to improve the teaching skills. Student-teacher ratio is 10:1. Exposure visits, field visits, research work, problem-based learning and commercial agriculture are being taught to imbue confidence. An industrial tie-up program is to orient with industries, cashew processing, Kothari sugars, modern rice mills, etc. to build the confidence. 8 experiential learning modules are introduced, namely commercial beekeeping, nursery technology, seed production, mushroom production, on-farm advisory for soil health, water quality and plant nutrition, development of integrated farming system model, composting technology, advanced digital tools for skill development. Students are encouraged to take active part in the rural and entrepreneurship awareness development yojana as per the ICR syllabus. Under the Green Initiative, tree planting program is organized following the concept of one student, one tree. An eco club is started during the year 2019 with the student volunteers to create awareness on green initiatives. Endowment awards are instituted in the name of founder Mr. Ingersoll with gold medal to the topper and second topper is bestowed with a silver medal in the name of Sangamridam to incentivize the students. Rigorous training on the soft skills and personal development are on the course. An exposure visit to Indian Institute of Food Process Technology, Tanjore, is made as a part of the program. Empowerment is also witnessed with the farmers through several trainings like dairy, soil health, and root feeding in coconut. Several awards secured were Payroller Award, Insect Environmentalist Award, Best Principal Award, Best Teacher Award, Best Achievement Award, and Best Young Scientist Award. A collaborative attempt reflects the Institute's ties and connection with Forest Department for large-scale tree planting. All-out efforts were taken to enhance the employability through placement cell and campus interview to secure placement in My Farming India, Satyam Biotech, and Godrej Agrovet India Limited. Established Nalanda IAS Academy for students to train in the competitive examinations. Concerted efforts are taken to employ highly qualified teachers whose motivation drive saw 13 secured ICR JRF examination and 15 pursuing masters in different disciplines of TNAU in the recent past. 36% of them engaged in competitive examination, 28% employed, 10% postgraduate, and 15% as entrepreneurs. One of the graduates was observed as agriculture officer in Central Bank of India. A slew of webinars were conducted for the benefit of students to seize cornucopia of job opportunities. Successfully conducted the first batch of Agri Clinic and Agri Business Center scheme under Manage Hyderabad with a strength of 32 numbers. Special day celebration performed for the awareness on environmental consciousness, soil health, agriculture education, women empowerment. A special drive was given on medical camp, tree planting, rally, and veterinary camps. Alumni Association of Olitol has taken special initiative to improve communication skill through experts talk from Shankar IAS Academy and Kingmakers Academy. Thank you all.
Now, honoring the guests. May I request our chairperson, Mrs. Ali Ingersoll, to honor our chief guest, Dr. R. Tamilvendan, Registrar and Acting Vice Chancellor of Tamil Nadu Agriculture University, Coimbatore. I invite our chairperson, Mrs. Ali Ingersoll, to honor our guest of honor, Dr. R. Selvarajan, Director of ICAR, National Research Center for Banana, Tiruchirappalli. To honor our chairperson, I gladly invite our respected principal, Dr. J. Venkat Prabhu. Now, I invite Mr. M. Mohan Raj, Academic Coordinator and Staff Advisor, to honor our principal. Thank you, dignitaries, for accepting our honor.
Way to respect guest of honor, Dr. R. Selvarajan, the Director, Indian Council of Agricultural Research, National Research Center for Banana, Tiruchirappalli, to deliver the guest of honor address. I invite the respected chief guest, Dr. R. Tamilvendan, the Registrar and Acting Vice Chancellor, Tamil Nadu Agriculture University, Coimbatore, to deliver the graduation day address. Let the candidates be now presented.